Do you need a roofing solution that's fast, strong and structurally sound? RMD Profiles, we supply the complete range of Tata steel RoofDek profiles, all prepared to length and bundles that you require across your structure support. We fully support you technically and practically, leading to get materials delivered fast across the whole of the UK. Our infrastructure means we can react quickly to demands in design change, or if you need a partner in keeping program on track, then our team are behind you with providing the support and design confidence to handling layout drawings for your site teams, or our site fitters to know where every pack belongs and every sheet should be laid across the supporting structure. Our years of experience can help you narrow down the choices, and as we're independent, we can reach out to other reputable manufacturers if we can't meet the criteria you have on your project. All backed up with product calculations, traceability, certification and endorsements. From D32S type deck sheets to D200, the deep trough, structurally engineered profiles for diaphragm action. Coats come with protective layers on the galvanised steel that we roll it in for resistance against aggressive environments like swimming pools, for example. Whatever criteria you need to meet, please speak to us and we will narrow those choices down for you and help you decide which profile is best for your circumstances.